about like 20 girls. And this is the presenter, because he is a Chongqing.
Wait, this is his shop?
And a chain.
So you're in a new restaurant?
So today we actually I took Theodore to my company. They did sort of children's bring your kids in day. They have lots of crafty games and even magician. So all Theodore did was eating snacks, eating like sweeties on top of the snacks and everything. And then he was running around the entire floor and I was chasing him. He had fun, yeah. Until a magician bit, which was the last bit, and I just took him off back to my desk because in the middle of the show he started to sing really loudly Jingle Bell and I couldn't shut him out. He was climbing up and down because we were a little bit late and he was sitting on the window bits and my goodness, it was just like, yep, it's time to go.
Did you finish 2 bowls?
No, I had a half cup.
How was your bowls?
Your one is a bit too salty. My one was really good.
No, it's only the bottom bit. Made it into Hamleys. There's so many people here today. It's almost Christmas. So we made it here. He's just woken up from his nap. So he is wide awake and full of energy and he's going to go play around. He's already going everywhere. Are they small books, Theo? Yeah, do you like them?
Next time I'm gonna buy this.
Next time you're gonna buy this one?
It's a train there, you go for breakfast.
We finally found a restaurant. We found a restaurant after 20 restaurants.
It's snowing outside, isn't it?